helicopter Romeo Alpha 22988.
Calling Aegean.
Helicopter Romeo Alpha 22988. Proceed from Recreon on fire. West side, area Recreon. Radial 270 degrees distance 2 miles.
Are you ready for departure?
Depature, rolling. Now, see you. Take water.
Tower, yes, Aegean 315, holding point 27, fully ready.
Aegean 315, line up runway 27.
Line up 7, Aegean 315.
Romeo Alpha 22988 from Kazantzakis.
Helicopter Romeo Alpha 22988, go ahead.
Romeo Alpha 2298, you departed from the parking position without a clearance for departure.
22988, clear for departure.
Romeo Alpha 22988, you didn't get clearance for departure, sir. You departed at own discretion. Romeo Alpha 22988, report position now.
Romeo Alpha 22988,
Romeo Alpha 22988, please report your position and altitude.
Okay, Romeo Alpha 2298 will report position.
Romeo Alpha 2298, you are at 8 miles west of our station, confirm?
Romeo Alpha 22988, report. My position, west. 10 miles west.
Roger, and your altitude, sir?
Yes.
Aegean 315, after with left right turn, proceed direct to EPALO. Copy VFR helicopter proceeding west. It is at 10 miles west of the station with no know its altitude.
Okay, if he's flying west though, πετάει δυτικά αυτός, γιατί δεν μας είπε να...
Σωστό, πετάει δυτικά, αλλά δεν μπορούμε να συναντηθούμε με το Ρώσο, απογειώθηκε χωρίς άδεια, δεν ξέρουμε, πηγαίνει προς Ρέθυμνο μεριά και ξέρουμε ότι υπάρχει μια φωτιά, δεν ξέρω το ύψος.
Εντάξει, οκ, ευχαριστώ.
Αιγαίο 315, 300 μοίρες, 26, κόμβη ελεύθερη απογείωση των 27.
Απογείωση των 27, Αιγαίο 315.
Recreon Tower, helicopter Romeo Alpha. Recreon Tower, helicopter Romeo Alpha 22988, arrival on fire. About ground level 500 feet. Report, finish. Login.
Romeo Alpha 2298, Roger. Copied at 10 miles now. And according to our radar, you are 1000 feet, confirm?
Romeo Alpha 22988, copy information, report.